Welcome to Avyukta in Telecall Consulting Private Limited. This video will guide you that how to log in Softphone and agent page. Now type dialer IP in browser and enter. Dialer page will be opened. Before login to agent page, we will register per Softphone and continue as a free user. Now type phone login username and password. Now type domain name. Softphone has been registered. If you want to use IBM Softphone, go to SIP account setting. Add. Now type phone login and user login details. And type domain name. And click on domain. Softphone has been registered. Now click on agent button. Fill the agent's user login username and password. Then select desired campaign name in which you want to log in and click on submit. Once you clicked on submit button, you always have to click on answer button on this sync call. Now Softphone and browser are synced with each other, and you are logged in dialer as agent. Now you are ready to take calls. Thank you for watching this video.